Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Stripe dashboard achievements for Fintech career storytelling, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Stripe dashboard achievements for your Fintech career storytelling, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the main dashboard where you'll find various options. Locate the Achievements section in the sidebar menu. Click on Achievements to access the feature. Review the list of available achievements you can unlock. Take note of the criteria associated with each achievement. Choose an achievement that aligns with your career storytelling goals. Read through the requirements carefully to ensure you understand what is needed. Once you've selected an achievement, start working towards it by fulfilling the necessary tasks. Engage with the Stripe platform regularly to track your progress. Utilize the resources Stripe provides, including documentation and support. Document your experiences and milestones reached in your Fintech career. Reflect on how these achievements contribute to your overall storytelling. Consider sharing your journey and insights with your professional network. Once an achievement is unlocked, revisit the Achievements section to celebrate your progress. Use these accomplishments to enhance your resume or LinkedIn profile. Connect with other Fintech professionals to discuss your achievements and their impact. Leverage your Stripe achievements as a conversation starter in interviews. Continue to explore additional achievements to further bolster your Fintech career narrative. Stay updated on new features and achievements Stripe may introduce in the future. Make your journey through the Stripe dashboard a vital part of your Fintech storytelling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.